Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all. Today we are going to learn how we can convert any PPT, PowerPoint presentation or any activity into a Google Slide hyperlink game. First of all, I have to go on my Google account. Have you seen there are 9 dots? Click them and come on the slides. It would take a few seconds to open up. This is a demo game. I have made it according to my level. I am a kindergarten teacher, so I have made it according to my class level. You all can further modify it according to your respective class level. Let's get started and try to convert it in a game. First of all, this is the first slide. What first we have to do, every question have a link of two slides. One has the right answer and the second link have the wrong answer. Look at there, this is the next question and also it has a good answer and a bad answer. These are wrong answer. These are is GIF and I have taken them from the Google. So easily these kinds of GIF are easily available on the Google. How we have to put the link here? Just I am clicking here and this is a icon. Insert the link. Click here. Slides in this presentation. Click there. We have to go on slide number 2. So click on slide number 2 and apply. Then go on slide number 2. Click here level, kindergarten. Go again on insert the link. On number 3 slide we have to go. Click here and go on slide number 3 and you apply. This is from here the kid will start to play a game. So we have to put a link here. Start. We have to go on a slide number 4. So go and that icon. Insert the link. Slide is a presentation and it's a number 4. Go on number 4 slide and apply. Now this is a tricky one. You have to focus here. This is a dash. Up there is a two options. One is wrong and one is right. How we interlink them with each other? Let's see. This is a wrong answer. So what we have to do? First click here. Go insert the link. Put the link here and the wrong answer where we have to write to try again is a number 6. Go on number 6 and apply. Now come on the right answer. Click here. Insert the link and right answer is on number 5. Go on the slide. Click on the slide number 5 and apply. One more thing we have to do. When a kid has given the right answer, it means we have to go on a next question. So click on a well done or a good job or whatever the GIF you are taking. Just go insert the link. Apply on number 7 because the second question is on slide number 7. So I already have put in slide number 7 here and just take it and apply. Then go on oh no, try again. It means we have to go again in that previous question. So come on and try again. Click on the link and already we have to go on again on slide number 4. So already I have fixed here the slide number 4 option. Just we have to apply here. The same procedure I have done with all my questions. At the end I have written here Alhamdulillah, the game is over. So the game is over. This is also a GIF. I have to click on Alhamdulillah and have to write the last link, that is my slide ending is on 29. Already I am fixing that slide 29 in the same way earlier I have told you. Now the game is complete. Now we are going to present it. Either we have done a good job or not. This is a present button. So we are now going to present it. Come on a first slide, click this and start presenting. Click here, click in kindergarten, start. This is a mob. Oh, try again. This is a cop. Well done. Then go on the next question. Good job. Oh, try again. 4. Oh, the same way we have to click on a right and a wrong answer. So check either we have put the links correctly or not. So the game is over and Jazakallah khair. So this is all about our PPT, which I have converted and I try to convert in a Google slide hyperlink game. I hope you understand this. Allah Hafiz.